Before you sell a single cookie, you need to check your local cottage food laws to ensure you are legally allowed to operate a bakery from your home kitchen. Once you have clearance, the next step is building a business model. Today, we are going to use 5 specific ChatGPT prompts to build a complete, profitable home bakery strategy from scratch. Most home bakers assume that if their recipes are delicious, the business will succeed. But the truth is, home bakeries rarely fail because of the product. They fail because of execution. We see the same 3 operational errors repeatedly. Bakers consistently underprice their goods, they rely on sporadic marketing instead of a daily routine, and they operate without a structured system to handle volume. By the end of this video, you will have a complete, high-margin menu, a strict pricing model, and a predictable marketing calendar, all generated by AI. Moving from occasional baking to consistently earning $3,000 to $5,000 a month requires a deliberate plan. Using ChatGPT is simply the fastest way to build it. Step 1 is defining what you sell. We will use a prompt designed to generate a list of 10 high-profit baked goods that prioritize low ingredient costs and high perceived value. This requires a deliberate shift in how you operate. Instead of focusing on complex recipes you personally enjoy, you must focus entirely on repeatable items, like brownies or cookies, that actually sell profitably at scale. This diagram breaks down the unit economics. If a single specialty cookie costs 80 cents in ingredients to make, and you sell it for $3, that $2.20 gap is where your monthly income comes from. When the AI generates its list of 10 items, resist the urge to offer them all. Select just 3 to 5 products to form your core menu. This keeps your inventory simple and your baking process highly efficient. Step 2 tackles the most common reason home bakeries lose money: undercharging. We will input a prompt asking for a pricing strategy that ensures at least a 60 to 70% profit margin per item. The reason that percentage needs to be so high is to account for the costs you do not see on your grocery receipt. You have to factor in the boxes, the labels, your electricity, and most importantly, the actual hours you spend baking. Keep in mind, the AI is making an educated guess on ingredient costs based on average data. You must override the AI's math by plugging in the exact prices you pay for flour, butter, and sugar at your local grocery store. Establishing this strict math-based pricing framework removes the guesswork. You are now positioned to compete entirely on the quality of your goods, rather than getting caught in a race to the bottom by offering the cheapest treats available. Now that we have our prices, step 3 is justifying them to the customer through presentation. We use a prompt asking for specific packaging and branding ideas that increase perceived value. Customers buy the presentation just as much as they buy the food. The exact same cookie sitting in a clear plastic bag might command $5, but placing it in a premium craft box with a custom sticker makes it highly giftable, directly supporting a premium $8 price tag. This blank calendar is the foundation. We will generate a weekly sales strategy to escape the cycle of random orders. By scheduling events like pre-order specials on Tuesday or weekend cookie boxes on Friday, you create natural deadlines for customers. This drives steady, reliable income. Finally, step number 5 tackles local visibility. We will input our last prompt, asking the AI to script 7 days of social media content specifically tailored to attract local customers. The output gives you a daily rotation of strategic posts. One day you will share a behind-the-scenes photo of your baking process to build trust, and the next you will post a screenshot of a positive customer review to show proof of quality. But the most critical part of this routine is the call to action. Every single post, regardless of content, must tell the viewer exactly how to purchase from you, such as instructing them to DM to order. Combining premium packaging with a structured promotional calendar and a daily posting routine creates an automated, reliable system for acquiring local customers. Using these 5 prompts, you now have a highly profitable core menu, a strict margin-based pricing system, a premium branding concept, a structured sales calendar, and a full week of marketing content. To ensure this blueprint translates into actual money in the bank, you must commit to tracking your exact local ingredient and material costs moving forward. Operating on feelings and baking random requests leaves you as an overwhelmed hobbyist. Following a strict mathematical system turns you into a scalable business owner. You can copy and paste all 5 of these exact prompts from the video description below to start generating your custom business plan right now. Hit the subscribe button for more business blueprints. Remember, AI can build you the perfect strategy, but your daily, disciplined execution is what actually creates the income. Get to work.